So how can you change the page orientation to landscape in Microsoft Word? Let me explain it. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So as you can see right there, I'm inside of a Word document. I have this like lined paper in there, right? Whatever. But the point is that I can always click on the top panel right there and go to the layout section. So let me just zoom it like this. You can see we have the layout as such. And part of the layout, we have things like column size and breaks, and we also have the orientation. So if I click on it, that's how I can switch from the portrait to the landscape. And right now, when I switch to the landscape mode like this, you can see that it all kind of looks the same, like it took whatever I was working with before, but now it is in this landscape format. So it depends on what the goal is, right? You can kind of like delete it and make it look like this. And yeah, that's like the whole point. You can of course change the size as well and work in a different file formats and change the margins and everything, but the orientation is the most important part. So that's how you can switch between the portrait and landscape. So this was just a quick guide. I hope that I was able to explain some things to you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.